This Benro Tilt Head will totally improve your monopod shooting experience, and it might just have some hidden talent for video shooters as well. Adding a tilt head to your monopod allows you to get more movement without leaning over. You get 90 degrees in one direction, 60 degrees in the other, and 360-degree panning at the top. Keep a tight footprint without sacrificing camera angles. It's a perfect match for long lenses like this Sony with a 200-600 and can support a lot of weight. All the knobs are repositionable, so you can move them out of the way. It's pretty great. The bottom of the tilt head is machined to fit on any Arca clamp, or mount directly to a 3/8 thread. There's a magnetic Allen key to remove the top Arca clamp if you want to attach the lens directly to the head. You're probably wondering, how is this thing a video tool? Well, with a little accessorizing, it provides some precise positioning on this Benro slider.